Hi there, Chris Gantz with JHB Group, the leader in public safety solutions and training innovation. And we're talking training innovation today because I'm standing in front of a brand new Confined Space and Safety Training Simulator that's going to Connecticut Water Company. This training simulator has some great features. One, you've got a rooftop deck system that's custom built by JHB Group here with some of our proprietary technology. That includes one, we have an 18-inch manhole cover up top for one entry point. We have a second that is a 24-inch square hatch that also has a shaft built beneath it with an interior ladder. Our training simulators are designed to bring the training to life in an immersive way. So that means we have a digital wall that we can now skin to allow for different environments really to be trained in. One of the key components of JHB Group's Confined Space and Safety Training Simulators is the ability to bring things to life, to bring the training to life. And in doing so, we have hazard props that we can actually interact with. So you have electrical safety, you have gas and vapor release, you have fire hazard. This integrates with our FIR, which is our augmented reality fire extinguisher training system. This immersive system allows for a next generation in terms of training solutions. The Confined Space and Safety Training Simulators are designed to be on the road. These are mobile units, and as such, we've created a control room up front for the instructors. This control room allows them to watch the cameras of the participants that are in the simulation, trigger the props, and also use that space as a mobile office when they're off-site. This training simulator has a lot of great features, including one of the best is the graphics on this. They did a very patriotic theme with this awesome American flag on it, which really represents the patriotism, but also that American spirit that embodies Connecticut Water Company. On behalf of everyone here at JHB Group, I want to thank Connecticut Water Company for choosing us to build their new immersive confined space and training simulator.